Namaste. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Nick. Today I'm going to be taking you through a pretty quick hip mobility and core focused sequence. You're going to need 2 blocks, so grab those, and once you have them, meet me lying down on the back. So we're going to go ahead and get right into it. Draw your knees into your chest, circle the legs around a few times. As you do this, start to deepen your breath. Then extend your left leg forward away from you. With your right hand, hold behind the knee, circle the right knee. Find a nice sweeping pattern and a steady pace. We'll go for 5 of these, so 2 more. Go the other way. Last 2. And take the right leg up towards the sky, flex or point the foot, small circles. For 5, we'll go clockwise first. 4, 3, 2, 1, go the other way. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big circles, out wide, forward, across the midline, and back in. We'll just do 3 of these. 2, 1, go the other way. 1, 2, 3. Pause there. Crawl up the leg. Pull down. Push forward. Pull down. Push forward. So I'm using my leg to lift my head and shoulders, and then pull the leg towards you. Push forward. Pull down. Push forward. Pull down. Push forward. Pull down. Let's do 2 more. Push forward. Pull down. Push forward. Pull down. And then release. Right leg towards the floor. Draw the left leg in with your left hand. Hold the hamstring. Small circles to start. For this first one, you're relying on the assistance of the arm, so it's a little bit less active. Go the other way. Extend the leg up. Start small circles. We'll begin counterclockwise. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go the other way. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big circles out, forward, across. In 1, I'm not going to go super wide here because I don't have a lot of room to my left. But make sure that you're taking up as much space as you can. That's 2. 3, go the other direction. 1, 2, and 3. Flex the foot, walk up the leg, and then use the leg, push forward, lift your head and shoulders up, and then use your arms to pull the leg down. Push forward, pull down. Push forward, pull down. Push forward, pull down. A couple more. Push forward, pull down. Push forward, pull down. Last one, push forward, pull down, and then release left leg to the floor. Touch the fingertips to the floor behind your head. Sit up, touch your toes, lean back, touch the floor. Sit up, touch the toes, touch the floor. Go for 5 of these. So that's 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Come up, grab opposite elbows, flex the feet, sit up tall, and then from an upright position, lean forward and come back. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold that end position. 10 more pulses. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold the end position. Reach your hands forward. Press the palms away from you. Flex the feet strongly. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stay forward. Plant the hands down around your legs. Tuck the chin into the chest. Lift the butt up and round the spine. 5. Let's do 10, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the seat down. Roll the spine down. Touch the fingertips of the floor behind you. And sit up. Lean back. And sit up. Lean back. Sit up. Try to control the lean back. One more. Okay. Grab opposite elbows. Sit upright. Reach with your elbows forward. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold that end position. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold the edge. Reach the arms forward. Push through the hands like you're in a down dog or handstand or whatever you want to imagine you're in. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Plant the hands down by your thighs. Lift the hips up. Lift the right leg up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right leg down. Left leg up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hips go down. Now we're going to combine that movement with the lean back. This time as you lean back, once the hands touch, the feet are going to float off the floor. Hands forward, sit upright, lean back, float the feet, touch the fingertips. Sit up, plant the hands, lift the butt. Lower, that's 1. Touch, sit up, lift. It's 2, sit back, lift, and hips up. 3, we're going to go for 10 of these. Touch, up, lift. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, one more, and 10. Oh, those get pretty toasty pretty quick. So now last thing that we're going to do is go for nail sit. For this, I'm going to have you use the blocks, place the blocks a little bit forward to the hips. We're going to work to hold both legs off the floor, and then we're going to alternate the legs that are lifted. Hands down, lean forward, pick everything up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Okay. That was easy for you. You can continue with that. We're going to do another 2 rounds. We're going to go for 5 seconds with the right leg lifted, 5 seconds with the left leg lifted. If else it's easy for you, then try the whole 10-second hold. Lean forward, lift up, right leg 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right leg down, left leg up 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both feet down. Give it a little bit of a shake. One more like that. Right leg and left leg, 5 seconds each. Shift forward. We'll start with the left leg this time. Why not? Left leg and hips up. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Right leg 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Both feet down, hips up a little higher. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, release. Okay. Set the blocks onto the floor behind you. Whoops. for heart bench. This first block, if you're not familiar with heart bench, right between your shoulder blades. Second block for underneath the head. Now, if you want to take this second block lower for a bit more of a dramatic back bend, you could. You're welcome to do so. This is plenty for me, so I'm going to stay here. I have my hands out at a T with the elbows on the floor. You could go wider or higher with the arms, I should say, for more sensation, further forward for less. You can play with your knees bent or straight, whatever feels more comfortable for you. You could even walk the feet together. Open the knees wide to get a bit more opening through the inner legs. We're going to stay here for about 1 minute. Easing the body with each exhale that you take. See if there's any part of you that can be a little heavier or a little bit more relaxed for these last few breaths. Of course, if you want to spend a little bit more time here, you are welcome to do so. Otherwise, bend up at your knees, roll over to one side. Pull the knees a little bit more in towards your torso. Let your head rest on your bottom arm. Take a deep breath in and out here. And push up towards the seated position. That's going to do it for this video. My intention was to keep this quick. So, thank you for coming. Thank you for tuning in. If you want to see more classes like this, let me know down in the comments. Let me know how this practice went for you as well. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, be well and be receptive. Namaste.